Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius. It's the 1st of August. It's a Monday, and I hope everybody had a great weekend. And what I want to start my show off here for Next News Network is the Zika virus. I'm sure most of you have heard about this virus, and with the Olympics coming up, it's going to start getting some more play and airtime. And we follow a couple stocks that are trying to create a vaccine for it or a biotechnology approach to making the mosquitoes that carry the Zika virus infertile. And so we went ahead and we bought some shares of Inovio Pharmaceuticals, and there's another company called Intrexon that you guys should probably get comfortable with. We buy and sell these every time we get a buy signal on them, and they cycled into buy signals on for us on Friday, but we just bought INO. But what happened is news came out that the virus has spread into Florida from local contact. That means the mosquitoes that are local in Florida now are spreading the disease. Now, what makes this disease insidious is two things. Now, one is that for you or me, if we got the virus ourselves, the symptoms are fairly mild, but it passes through the placenta into the baby, and it causes their heads to be abnormally small. Well, these kind of birth defects kind of freak people out, as they should. And so it's causing some definite consternation. I mean, there's thousands of babies now being born with this. Now, couple that with a whole lot of fertile people heading to Brazil for the Olympics and then coming back and spreading this disease all over the world. Now you're saying, hey, it's a mosquito-borne disease. Well, the second insidious part of this is that the disease now can transfer human to human through sexual transmission. So not only do you have sexually transmitted diseases, you have AIDS, now you have the Zika virus. And the thing about it is that a male can stay infected with live virus for up to 6 months. And so, we're going to start seeing this this horrible birth defect all across the world, anywhere in the world. And the Olympics are, it's people from all over the world are going there. It's going to be a big deal. Now, I have faith that our biotechnology community will come through on a vaccine. We're going to try to position ourselves to profit from it from a stock standpoint, but it's just another thing that's showing how crazy this world is really becoming. So I just wanted to bring that up to you guys, and you're going to hear a lot about Zika over the next couple of weeks. The stocks have already started to move, but if they get these viruses go where they think they're going to go, and these vaccines happen the way they think they are, the people that own these stocks and these companies are going to do really, really well. Now, looking at the market going into the first week of August, August itself is fairly benign if you go from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. It's not even really supposed to be that volatile, although last year was quite volatile because of China. And since things have been so calm in July, and July is supposed to be a more volatile month, we're really not quite sure what to expect. Mondays are typically down days. We're down now. Oil is down again, even lower than we thought it would go. It broke the 40s today. Not quite sure where it's going to find the bottom. But, we're going into now the energy bullish season because of the hurricanes in the Atlantic and in the Gulf. And we're having our first hurricane, actually was named today, first Atlantic hurricane, and that's coming over the Windward Islands. And if it curves into the Gulf versus go up the coast into Florida, I think it'll support oil prices. And typically oil moves up August through September. And it's combating with a lot of oil on the market. So we'll see what wins. The dollar's rolled over. So gold is fighting its way higher. The miners are doing great today. And so I think the move is, for us, is we're long oil. We're trying to catch this turn. We're long gold, we're long miners, and we're long wheat and corn. We think the China story, they're getting another hurricane into Hong Kong right now that's going to affect their southern corn belts. And so we think that story is untold, and we think we're going to be able to profit mightily from that. And unfortunately, it'll raise the price of food for everybody else. But anyway, that's what I want to talk about today. This is Bob from Trade Genius. It's for Next News Network. We'll be back with you tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.